Welcome to my show. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I'm always out there looking for things for my viewers, subscribers, that's related to shortwave listening, amateur radios, scanner radios, and just gadgets in general. And one of the places I look is for applications, either for an Apple iPod or for a Android tablet. This is my Android tablet, and here is an application I found this morning related to those subjects. And let me zoom in here. I've got the resolution down a little bit on my camera so that I can zoom in closer, and I'm not centered anymore. There we are. And so I can go even closer with this resolution, more so than my higher resolution. So that's why I'm in a lower resolution. Anyway, so this morning I found this application doing a search on the Android store for shortwave. And what this program is called, Short All Wave Radio Tools Free. There's a paid version also. This one has apps down at the bottom of the pages. They're very small, so they don't cause that much problem. So I don't think you need to get the paid one, but to support the author, you should probably do that. I think it's 99 cents. Not a big deal. I also was having that music intro to adjust my mixer, because in the previous audio I had played with the mixer a couple of days ago and I didn't get it set right, so I apologize for the previous show. The audio was very low. Hopefully now it's back where it should be. Oh, anyway. So again, this is an Android app, and we're going to open it because I've already installed it. And what this is basically a listing of pages on the internet that you can go to if you just use your browser. But this is kind of a conglomerate of those pages, so it's easy to get to. They're all pages about amateur radio shortwave listening. And here is the various types of pages you can go to. The first one is about information about the application itself and updates. Let me zoom in a couple more here. I'll go to the max. There's the max. Still probably a little fuzzy, but I apologize. The next one is shortwave schedules and listings. Again, you'll see what that is. Medium wave schedules and listing, long wave schedules and listing, remote receivers that you can control and or listen to, log tools, time tools, resources on the internet related to these subjects, how to contact the author, who is KG5JST, how you can donate to get rid of the ads. I'll slide this up and I'll show you. There's the ads way down here, pretty small ads. And then other applications that he's written. He's written several applications related to these subjects. So let's go down and let's try one. Let's try the shortwave schedules and listings. And then you'll see what I mean by this is a collection of links. So let's go down there. And there's the ones related to that. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, these are on the internet. You could go to them directly if you want to, but this provides easy shortcuts. So the top one there is a very familiar one to me, is short-wave.info. So let's just click on that one. And now it's going to go to that web page, and there's the web page. You'll recognize this. And it will probably show up better if I rotate my tablet, but I'm going to leave it in this configuration. And of course you can then do the same things you could as if you were on the internet on this web page. Here's your shortwave listings, and I've showed you this website several times. Okay, so we can go back. There's some more that we can go that provide shortwave listings. For instance, the prime timeshortwave.com website. So let's just click on that one. And there it is, sure enough. And on this side, as I've showed you before, you can select various schedules. As you can see, let's see, shortwave schedule time sorted. So we'll click on this. So there it is. So again, it's just like using your internet browser and going to the web page, but it's much easier. So we can go back. There's WRTH, there's shortwave.am, there's AOKI shortwave schedules, and EIBI shortwave radio schedules. So these are links to all those schedules. So we can go back. We can choose another area. We could choose medium wave to look at medium wave schedules on the internet. Let's go to remote receivers. And I've showed you this, these web pages before. Here is websrd.org. Let's click on that. Boom, you're there. And then here's the various radios that are available on this website. You can choose the best one is the top one. That's has the 0 to 29 megahertz bandwidth. You can receive a lot of shortwave stuff. You click on that link, just like you would if you're on a web page. Here is the radio. It's operating. There you go. So this is a neat program. Like I say, you can do all this stuff yourself manually and go to these web pages manually. But this is a nice collection of all those web pages. The links, you just tap on it, you go to the various areas, and then you tap on one of the pages. This is one for medium wave, and then I showed you the one for shortwave. It's just kind of a cool application. It's free, and you get these small ads on the bottom, which to me are not very invasive. I'll use that term. So I think that's pretty cool. So I think you ought to get this. I definitely give this application for your Android devices a thumbs up. Now again, let me see if I can go back and find it quickly. Now you're going to see all my games. That's not. Okay, where is it? I thought it was on this page here. There it is. Okay, here's all my scanner radio, shortwave listening, etc. apps. You see, I got a lot of apps on here, and here's the one that is a standalone schedule program that I've showed you before. So I'm not going to show it to you again. So this is a standalone. It downloads the database, one database, and then you can search through that database. So that's it. Like I say, I definitely think you ought to. Let me see if I can get back to it. Yeah, there it is. I think you definitely ought to get this application for your Android device. It's pretty handy. It's called Short All Wave Radio Tools, free in this case. So look it up. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. And I'm going to, one thing I haven't done is I haven't gotten my Apple iPad out in a while and search what new applications that are available related to these interests, shortwave radio, scanner radio, amateur radio, that are available now for it. And if I find some new ones that I like, I'll do a show on that. If you have an application that you're running on your iPad or your Android device that I haven't done a review of, please let me know. You can leave a comment here about the application, or you can send me an email to TRRS73@gmail.com. I definitely would appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.